Okay, I'm not sure how much you'll hear or see of this. We've got some pretty cruddy weather at the moment. So my visibility on my visor is a bit poor. I've just put a replacement toolbox or toolkit into the underseat cavity of my Vulcan S Raven. Unfortunately it was missing when I looked for it. There's a special kind of, it's not an Allen key, not quite sure what it's called, it's not a hex key, so I'll have to have a look and see what type that is. It's definitely newer than I'm used to, that lives underneath the side panel, which has a key access and a couple of lugs to fit into it. So you take that out. It's a bit of a faff really, I've got to be honest, but you take that out, then you've got to take all the seats off, and then you get to the toolkit. But inside that toolkit is a rather important C-spanner. So C-spanner adjustable monoshock. Bearing in mind that I go to I'm not a light rider either, being a plus girl, plus size rider. So I have, well, we've adjusted the monoshock to the top suspension notch. Now I think I'll have to check how many there are. I think there's 9. I'm not 100% sure. I will check on that. I'll edit this out if it's not 9 and let you know later on, or in the comments on my video. I need to knit together a couple of videos on this one because I haven't practiced that. I use a Chromebook, that's all I've got at the moment, and being new, obviously, I haven't got all the kit, so at the moment I'm trying to find an online editor. I found one where I can put comments and things like that in, so that's good, over the top of it, which was my scared video. I need to find out how to put together a couple of videos. Now, I took some footage with my phone as I was putting the toolkit in and the seat and stuff, so I didn't actually get any footage of us changing the shock, so I might change that later on just to demonstrate. But if I can knit together a couple of bits, then from my phone and from my helmet, then you'll know I've succeeded. It might take a bit of time, so you might not get this on a December rainy day, but that's no bad thing, let's face it. You right? It's okay. Thank you. I love the fact that kids love your motorbikes. It's future bikers. I've had kids in Berryport ask to rev my old bike, and of course I had to say yes. You know, I really don't mind. They also look after your bike, I think, if you're human to them. And that'd be a dick. Right, I've just realised there's a gate here. So yeah, so just realised there's a gate. Time to move. And let whoever owns it parking it. One-way system around here. People fly around, so there we go.